everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the 2025 Tesla Model S. What's new, and how does it perform? Let's find out. First up, what makes the 2025 Model S a standout in the electric vehicle market? With sleek design and cutting-edge technology, it's a true luxury EV. But how does it perform on the road? The Model S boasts an impressive dual-motor setup, offering rapid acceleration. But is it really as fast as they claim? With 0 to 60 in just 1.99 seconds, it's one of the quickest production cars out there. But how does it handle longer trips? Let's talk range. The 2025 Model S offers over 400 miles on a single charge. How does it compare to other EVs? This range puts it ahead of many competitors, making it a great choice for road trips. Now, what about tech? The interior is packed with state-of-the-art features. Is the infotainment system easy to navigate? Absolutely! With a massive touchscreen and seamless updates, staying connected is a breeze. Safety is paramount. How does Tesla ensure your safety? With advanced autopilot features and over-the-air updates, it continuously improves. So, how safe is it for families? The Model S excels in safety ratings, offering peace of mind. The 2025 Tesla Model S combines luxury, performance, and safety in one electric package. Is it the right car for you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Until next time, drive safe and stay charged.